Chapter number 4, class 10th, quadratic equation. Part number 4. Yesterday said this exercise completed, but sorry for that, some part 2-3 question of second question left. So we will solve them. Then after this, we will solve example also after this exercise given. In that example, given how can you factorize quadratic equation by using splitting the middle term. So this I told you yesterday, you have to prepare this equation. So what's your equation? X square minus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Yes or no? This I told you. And if you can splitting the middle term is not applicable here because some problem in it. So next, this question number third part of question number 2, exercise 4.1. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Her mother age is 26 more than him in Rohan. So what we can say, let age of Rohan, what you can say, X year. What's the age of Rohan? X year. And according to question, what's the age of her mother? Her mother mean Rohan mother, X plus 26 years. This is, we are talking about percentage. This is talking about percentage, the product of their age 3 years from now. So first you have to find out, what you have to find out? Age of Rohan 3 years from now. Like this, your age is 20 years now. So after 3 years, how much? 20 plus 3, 23. So here, what's the age of Rohan? X. After 3 years, it's become X plus 3 years. So age of Rohan mother after 3 years. Age of her mother, sorry. Her mother. 3 years from now, what's percentage is this? So add 3 in it. Years become. So what's it's become? X plus 29. We would like to find the Rohan percentage, and it's the product of their ages. You have to prepare equation, quadratic equation in one variable. So product, whose product? This product and this product is equal to this. Product meaning multiplication. So here write now, according to question, we get what's X plus 3 and X plus 29 is equal to 360. How can its multiplication with this? So it's become X square plus 29X with 3x plus 87 is equal to 360. X square plus 32x. Sum of these two both are of plus, so add them and put that sign. Plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. So this is of plus, this is of minus. So 360 minus 87, how much? 3 left here. 15, 7, 273. So how can we write like this? This is meaning X square plus 32x minus 273. 73 or 63? 73 is equal to 0. Once more check. 5, 10 minus 7, 3, 15, 15 minus 8, 7. So this is an equation. Later on, We are applying different formula to solve it. So, but in this question given, we have to prepare a quadratic equation to solve it. Later on we can show this is algebraic expression, you can say. Understood? One more part given, last part of this question you can say, and you have to prepare what you have to prepare, algebraic expression. A train travel a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. Uniform speed meaning equal speed. Speed not increase, not decrease. Same with same speed. If the speed had been 8 km less, if speed decreased by 8 km from original speed, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find out the speed of the train. We have to prepare what algebraic expression. So total distance, how much? 480 kilometers. Let speed of train meaning uniform speed, x kilometers per hour. It's meaning in 1 hour distance traveled by that train is x kilometer. Time taken by train to cover how much? 480 kilometers. So this is distance by speed is equal to time. This is your first part till here. If the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have taken, so new speed of train, according to the constitution, new speed of the train. What's the new speed of the train? Original x, it's reduced by 8 km, so it's meaning 8 km per hour. Distance remains same, total distance, time, total distance, how much? Same. How much? 480 km. Time taken. What? Distance by speed. One time is this, one time is this. Then saying it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So this time is 3 hours more than it. If we can add 3 in it, both become equal. So according to the question, how can we write? We can write 480 by x plus 3 by 1 is equal to 480 by x minus it. Got it? What's your LCM? X is your LCM. So what's this? 480 plus 3x is equal to 480 by x minus 8. Cross multiplication. So it's become x minus 8 into 480 plus 3x is equal to 480x. Solve it. X into 480 plus 3x minus 8 into 480 plus 3x is equal to 480x. Got or not? So what's it's become? 480x plus 3x square minus 0, 64, 38. What's 38? Minus 24x is equal to 480x. This cancel this. This cancel this. So how can I write this? 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. This is the algebraic expression. 3 take common if you need. X square minus 8x minus 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 8 the this. And this we can write 3 coming in this side is become 0. So what's x square minus 8x minus 1280x is the algebraic equation. quadratic equation. Then after this, we have to find out the value of x. That's given in the next part of this chapter. But till here we have to prove, we have to prepare what? Algebraic expression. So this is the algebraic expression. I think all of you understood. Next, example given. What's given? Example given. Find the roots of the equation, or you can say, if you know how can find out factor, then easily you know how can find out its roots. So first, we can find out the value of x. How many value of x possible? X square. So minimum 2 value of x definitely possible. So we have to solve it. Find the roots of the equation by factorization method. Factorization meaning splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. Till here, till exercise this, what we have done? We have to prepare. What we have to prepare? Algebraic equation. Algebraic equation, or you can algebraic expression, you can say, and quadratic equation, you can say. After this, we have to, what we have to do? We will find out its solution by using different method. One method is splitting the middle term. Remaining method, completing the square, and one more methods. More methods. So that also we can do. So first we are doing by factorization method. So what's given? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So look one time, 2x square minus 3x, 2x you can write, minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So two steps are there. First step, what's the sum of these two? Minus 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 5x. This and this are right. It's meaning your first step is right. Then their product, minus 2x into minus 3x. Minus multiply with minus, what's become plus 2 multiply with 3, 6x multiply with x square. This is 6x square. What's the multiplication of these two? 3 into 2x square is equal to 6x square. If both are equal, this is your step number 2. It's meaning way of making what? Roots is right. If not satisfying these step number 1 and step number 2, it's meaning you are wrong. Wrong method applying. So I have taken what I common. First 2 I have taken. First 2 I have taken. 2x square minus 2x. So what's common? 2x common. X minus 1. Minus 3 taken common from these. So x minus 1 equal to 0. Now what's common? X minus 1 is common. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. You have to find out the roots. So put this equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. Or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. Or 2x is equal to what? 3. Transfer from left hand side to right hand side. So its sign changed. So x value what? 3 by 2. So what we can say? X value what? X value 1 and x value 3 by 2. These are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. Or we can say these are the solution of this quadratic equation. Understood? Later on we can say it's in third part we are saying these are the zeros of the given polynomial also. So understand, I think only you have to take two first steps. I told you this sum must be equal to this. And their product is equal to their product. It's meaning you are right, otherwise wrong. So now taking next example. This example given, find the roots of the quadratic equation. Same method we have to apply. 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Make its factor 6x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. X you can write like this. Look one time, what's the sum of these? Sum of these meaning this, minus 3x into 2x. So minus multiply this with plus, minus 3 2 are 6, x square. So, sorry, first I have to tell their sum. What I have to tell? Their sum. So what's this is x plus this. So what's common? X we have taken common 3 plus 2. X is equal to minus 1. You know, how can you know? Easily you know 3 of minus 2 of plus, so minus 1 left. So this we can write minus x is equal to this or not? It's meaning we are right. This is the step number 1. Step number 2. What's their multiplication? Minus 3x into 2x. 3 2s are 6. Minus x multiply with x square. And what's their multiplication? Sorry, it's meaning it's wrong. So we have to, their multiplication is not, their multiplication what we need? 12x square minus 12x we have to need. So here we cannot, this our step is right. So we have to prepare this by what we can take. Another we can take. If I can take 6 x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Here we can check. What's the sum of these two? Step number 1 is this. So what's the sum? Minus 4x plus 3x is equal to minus x. So what is this? This is equal to this. It's meaning step number 1 is right. Now we can check in previous question problem where in step number 2. So what is this? Minus 4x into 3x. 4 3s are 12 minus x. So what's their multiplication? This and this. 6x square into minus 2 minus 12 x square. It's meaning we are right. Step number 1, step number 2. It's meaning we are right. After this taking common, which is common? 2x is common. So 3x minus 2 plus 1 taken common, 3x minus 2. Now what common? 3x minus 2 is common and 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then put these equal to 0, 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0 or both is equal to 0. So what's it's become? 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. Here 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So what are its roots? One is the root 2 by 3 and another is minus 1 by 2. These are the roots of this given quadratic equation, or we can say solution of the given quadratic equation. So this is given in 9th class also, not so much problem according to me, but you have to follow these two steps. Step number 1, their sum is equal to the what? This sum of these two definitely equal to this. Here what? Variable x, and their product is equal to their product. Understood? Here equal, so we have taken in previous one part, not equal we have taken another one. So one more example given related to this given. If you understand method, then no problem. Problem where problem it may be possible in your basic. So look here, one more important question. Where students facing problems? Why? Because their base is weak. Understood? But method same. If method same, you can apply anywhere. So this given 3x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 2 equal to 0. Here also you have to find out its root. So look one time, 3x square minus root 6 x into minus root 6 x plus 2. Check two steps. Step number 1, sum of these minus root 6x minus root 6x. So minus root 6x is common. 1 plus 1, how much? Minus 2 root 6x, which is equal to this. It means step number 1 is right. This understood? Not understood? Then again I can tell. If you don't understand, what's common? This is common. Which is common? Minus and root 6x common taken. So here 1 and here also 1. Minus taken outside. So 1 plus 1, 2. And this we can write 2 and root 6x. Because both are having same sign. So add them and put that sign. It's meaning this is right. Now their multiplication. What's their multiplication? Multiplication meaning minus under the root 6x into minus under root 6x. So minus multiply with minus plus. Under root 6 into under root 6 into x square. X into x square. What's coming? If this type of situation in one pair, 1 coming outside. So what's coming outside? 6 x square. So what's their multiplication? 3 x square into 2. So how much? 6 x square. This and this both are equal. It's meaning both step right. Only this. If this you understand, remaining no problem. Easily able to solve. So what's the common? Anything common here? What common you can take here? What you can take common here? Under root 3 you can take common. So what left here? What's left here? Tell me one time. Under root x, sorry. Or this I have written like this. If you are facing problem, under root 3 into 3 x square minus under root 3 into under root 2 minus under root 3 into 2 plus 2 into 2 equal to 0. In this way we can write if not understood. What's common? This we have taken common. Under root 3 x taken common. So one side what's left? Under root 3 x left. Here also x. So this common minus what's? Under root 2. This left. Yes or no? What's common here? Minus under root 2 common taken. So under root 3x minus under root 2 here. This is an important step to understand. Now which is common? This is common. Under root 3x minus under root 2. And what is this? Under root 3x minus under root 2. Yes or no? This left and this is equal to 0. Then again we can put both are equal, so we can put under root 3x minus under root 2 equal to 0. So it's meaning under root 3x is equal to under root 2 transferring from left hand side to right hand side, the sign change. So x is equal to what? Under root 2 by under root 3. This we can write like this also. It's same value coming. So what's are its factor? Its factor are this under root 2 by 3 and this also under root 2 by 3. So important question. This you can solve by using it. If any problem again I can tell. One more example given. Find the dimension of the player hall discussed in the section number 4.1. 4.1 meaning starting of this chapter. Starting of this chapter where equation coming like this 2x square plus x minus 300 equal to 0. Starting of the chapter, this type of situation coming. Rectangle is like this. And after preparing algebraic expression, or we can say quadratic equation, its form is this. And we have to find out what? We have to find out value of x. So here also what you can apply, splitting the middle term. So which formula you can apply? So multiplication 10 into 11, 110, 15 into 14, 210. Understood? 25 into 24. This coming. So I can write here. So what I can write? 2x square plus 25x minus 24x minus 300 equal to 0. This factorization right or not? First we will add these. So when we will add 25x minus 24x, how much left? X, which is given x of plus 6, means step number 1 is right. Then step number 2, 25x into minus 24x, x into x square, and this is 600 of minus 25 multiply with 24. What's their multiplication? 2x square into 300, how much? Minus 6. And both are equal. It's meaning our both steps are right. So this we can write 2x square minus 24x plus 25x minus 300 equal to 0. What's common? 2 is common. X minus 12 plus what's common? 25. So what's coming? X minus 12 is equal to 0. So what's common? X minus 12. Here x coming, sorry. So this is 2x plus 25 is equal to 0. So what we can say? X minus 12 equal to 0 or 2x plus 25 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12 or 2x is equal to minus 25. So x is equal to minus 25 by 2. This is negative. Length is never negative, always positive. So which one is this? Which one is this? So x is this 12. This is saying breadth according to the question. Length 2 times of it 24 plus 1 25. So 12 and 25 are its length. And what's their area? This is, we can find out according to 4.1. Its area is 300, and if you can multiply this 25 into 12, why? Length multiply by breadth. Because it's a rectangle, this is length, this is breadth. So L into B, L is equal to 24, 5 and into 12. When you can multiply this, so 300 coming. So this is the verification of your question. So today you can do till here. In the next part, we can do next. Yes or no? So these example and these, all you can do. And try to verify also these. So here is in 9th class also given splitting the middle term. Here also I told you again. If you don't know, you can do practice. And important question, this type of question are important. Try to solve this question 2 times. If not able to solve, again I can tell, because here using under root. So here after this, why I have written this, all of you know this. Understood? If don't know, then again tomorrow again I can repeat. But this is the important step. If you can able to understand it, it's mean able to understand complete question. So do it. Tomorrow again we will take next part of this chapter. Thank you all of you.